Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. This time we are going to practice speaking. Sekarang kita akan praktek speaking using was and were, menggunakan was dan were. Ini past simple ya, be dalam bentuk past simple. Mengenai cara menggunakan atau membuat kalimat dengan menggunakan was dan were, silakan tonton video lain yang khusus membahas grammar was dan were. Okay, now let's get started. Sekarang kita mulai. Well, here there is a list of questions. Ada sederet pertanyaan. You should answer them. Anda harus menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. But before you answer the questions, let me explain each of these questions. Jadi saya akan membahas masing-masing pertanyaan ini. Okay. Were you a good student in elementary school? Apakah kamu seorang siswa yang baik di SD, elementary school? You can either say yes, I was a good student, atau yes, I was a very good student, atau no, I wasn't. Oh tidak, saya tidak. I was not a good student. Saya bukan seorang siswa yang baik. I was a very bad student. Saya siswa yang sangat tidak baik. Okay, next question. Pertanyaan selanjutnya, were you always on time? Apakah kamu selalu tepat waktu? Ini waktunya adalah di elementary school ya, di SD. Were you always on time? Apakah kamu selalu tepat waktu? You can say, yes, I was always on time. Atau no, I wasn't. I was always late. Saya selalu terlambat. Atau I was almost always late. Atau I was late most of the time. Saya terlambat ya, mayoritas terlambat ya. Were you diligent too? Apakah kamu rajin juga? You can say yes, I was diligent, atau I was very diligent, atau no, I wasn't, I was not diligent, I was very lazy ya, misalnya. Next, were all your classmates friendly? Apakah seluruh teman kelasmu bersahabat? Maksudnya baik, ramah. You can say yes, they were all friendly. Mereka semua baik. Atau no, they weren't, they were all naughty. Misalnya semuanya nakal. Atau no, they weren't, some of them were friendly while some others were naughty. Misalnya gitu ya. Beberapa di antaranya baik, yang lainnya nakal ya. Okay, next. Oh, I see. Oh, begitu. Who were your naughty classmates? Siapakah teman-teman kelasmu yang nakal? You can say they were Ateng, Atung, Ating, Itang, Utang, etc. Kemudian they were karena lebih dari satu. Tapi kalau cuma satu ya langsung it saja nggak apa-apa. It was Andi, it was Ateng ya juga. Next, and who were your good classmates? Dan siapakah teman-teman kelasmu yang baik? You can say they were Joko, Jiki, Juku, Siti, Sutu, etc. And who were your best friends? Dan siapakah teman terbaikmu, teman dekatmu? You can say my best friends were Suzy, Susan, Sasa, Sisi ya. Atau they were ya, selain mengatakan my best friends were, you can also say, Anda juga bisa bilang they were, langsung menggunakan kata ganti they ya. Next, who was your math teacher? Siapakah guru matematikamu? Siapakah guru matematikamu ya? You can say, for example, Anda bisa mengatakan misalnya my math teacher was Mr. John. My math teacher was Miss Elizabeth. Ya. And what was your favorite subject? Dan apakah mata pelajaran favoritmu? You can say, Anda bisa mengatakan, my favorite subject was sports, misalnya, atau physical education. Mata pelajaran favorit saya adalah olahraga, ya. Physical education, pendidikan jasmani, ya. Atau my favorite subject was social science, ya. Ilmu sosial, IPS, ya. Next, were all your teachers patient? Apakah seluruh gurumu patient, sabar? You can say yes, they were. They were all patient. Semua guru saya ramah. Atau no, they weren't. Oh tidak. Some of my teachers were not patient. Beberapa guru saya tidak sabar. Were they short-tempered? Apakah mereka short-tempered, bersumbu pendek alias mudah marah? You can say yes, they were short-tempered. Atau no, they weren't short-tempered, they were patient. Tidak, mereka tidak bersumbu pendek, mereka sabar. Atau some of them were short-tempered, some were patient, ya, boleh juga. Temperamental, sama temperamental ya, short-tempered ini mudah marah, ya. Okay, next. And what was your favorite snack? Apa kudapan favoritmu? Kudapan cemilan, ya. Cemilan favoritmu, jajanan favoritmu. You can say my favorite snack was chips, misalnya. Kudapan favorit saya adalah keripik. My favorite snack was fried banana, ya, pisang goreng, whatever. Next, what was your favorite game? Apa permainan favoritmu? You can say my favorite game was Gobak Sodor, or my favorite game was Kasti. My favorite game was hide and seek, ya. And next, how old were you when you were in the first grade? Berapa usiamu ketika kamu di kelas 1, first grade? You can say I was 12 years old in the first grade. Saya berumur 12 tahun ketika di kelas 1. You can say I was 10 years old when I was in the first grade. Saya berumur 10 tahun ketika saya berada di kelas 1 SD. Mantap, ya. Next, what was your hobby? Apa hobimu? You can say my hobby was fishing. Hobi saya memancing. My hobby was playing soccer. Hobi saya bermain bola, sepak bola, ya. My hobby was swimming, whatever. Next, what was your favorite movie? Apa film favoritmu? You can say my favorite movie was Wiro Sableng. My favorite movie was Si Buta dari Gua Hantu, whatever. Next, who was your hero? Siapakah pahlawanmu saat di SD, ya? My hero was my father, misalnya, ya. Atau my hero was my brother. Who was your favorite actor? Siapa aktor favoritmu? My favorite actor was Jackie Chan. Atau siapa? Next, what was your favorite song when you were a child? Apa lagu favoritmu ketika kamu masih kecil? You can say my favorite song was Balonku Ada 7. Atau my favorite song was Bintang Besar, di Langit Yang Besar. Ya, okay. Right. That's it, itu saja. I have explained the questions. Saya sudah menjelaskan pertanyaannya. So it's now your turn to answer them. Sekarang giliran Anda untuk menjawabnya. Starting from here, mulai dari sini, down to the end, sampai ke bawah sini. Ya, silakan dijawab sesuai kondisi masing-masing ketika dulu masih SD. Oke, stop the video first. Silahkan hentikan dulu videonya dan kerjakan. Oke, after you answer the questions, setelah menjawab pertanyaannya, it's now the time for you to practice orally. Sekarang waktunya Anda praktek secara lisan. If you have a partner, practice asking and answering the questions together. Jadi kalau punya teman praktek, silakan praktekkan bertanya jawab dengan teman bersama ya. Satu bertanya menggunakan pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini di sini ini, satunya menjawab. Yang bertanya boleh membaca pertanyaan, sementara yang menjawab usahakan tidak membaca catatan. Just listen to your partner's question and answer the questions orally. Dengarkan saja pertanyaan dari pasangan praktek, kemudian jawab secara lisan. Usahakan lancar ngomongnya. Setelah itu gantian, yang tadi bertanya giliran menjawab. Usahakan juga lancar. Oke? But if you don't have a partner, jika tidak punya kawan praktek, just read the questions and answers orally and loudly. Jawab pertanyaan secara lisan, baca pertanyaan dan jawaban secara lantang sendirian. Ya, baca saja. Latih lidah dan bibir untuk mengucapkan kalimat-kalimat bahasa Inggris supaya lancar. Kalau perlu ulangi lagi, baca lagi supaya lidahnya terbiasa mengucapkan kalimat bahasa Inggris sehingga ketika berbicara mudah-mudahan menjadi lancar dan mudah. Okay? I think that's all for the lesson. I'll see you sometime in the future. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.